Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of University of Education, I welcome you all in the lecture number 20 of Computer Communication and Networks. Students, what we were studying in our previous lecture. In our previous lecture, we have studied what is a transmission media. There are two types of transmission media. One is a guided media and other one is an unguided media. In our previous lecture, we have studied that what is the guided media. In our today's lecture, we will know that what is an unguided or wireless media. Students, what is an unguided media? Unguided media होता क्या है? Unguided media transports electromagnetic waves without using a physical conductor. So this type of communication is often referred to as wireless communication. Within building, the LAN may use copper wire or fiber optic, but connecting buildings may require digging up the street to lay a cable, which may be an expensive task. It may also be illegal if it is a public road. So on the other hand, putting a laser or infrared transmitters and receiver on the roof of each building is inexpensive. So easy to do and nearly always it is legal. Wireless communication does not require direct physical connection between the computer. What they need, there are some propagations that unguided media used. Unguided media signals can travel from the source to destination in several ways. So there is a ground propagation and there is a sky propagation, line propagation. What is a ground propagation? Radio waves travels through the lowest portion of the atmosphere. Low frequency signals propagate in all directions. So, what is a sky propagation? High frequency radio waves that radiates upward into the ionosphere, the layer of the atmosphere where particle exist as ions, where they are reflected back to the earth. Line of sight propagation, it is a very high frequency signal are transmitted in straight lines directly from antenna to antenna. So antennas must be directional facing each other. Here you can see the diagrams of this is ionosphere for the ground propagation. Below 2 megahertz it is used. So you can see it is around the globe. It is working. This is a sky propagation and this is a line of sight propagation. They both need इन दोनों को एक दूसरे की साइड पर facing towards each other होना चाहिए इनके antennas को. Terrestrial microwave क्या होता है? Microwave do not follow the curvature of Earth. Line of sight transmission यहाँ पे use होगी. Height allows the signals to travel farther. So two frequencies for two-way communication will be used over here and repeater is used to increase the distance between hop to hop. Node से node का जो distance है उसको increase करने के लिए यहाँ पे हम repeaters use करेंगे. You can see this is an earth and these are the terrestrial microwaves. They do not follow the curvature of the earth. लाइन ऑफ साइट ट्रांसमिशन यूज हो रही है. एंटीनास जो है उनके एक दूसरे की तरफ उनकी जो है वो दे आर फेसिंग टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर. Satellite communication क्या होती है? You can send Earth station. There is a one एक dish antenna लगा हुआ है at the receiver end, or there is a sender end and there is a dish antenna at the receiver end. और यहाँ पे satellite में आपके पास जो है वो satellite communication है. So how they यहाँ से signals जो है वो satellite में जाएंगे और फिर वापस जो है upward जाएंगे और फिर वो downward आएंगे. स्टूडेंट्स अनगाइडेड मीडिया में ट्रांसमिशन किस तरह से अकर होती है? ट्रांसमिशन एंड रिसेप्शन अकर्स वाया एंड एंटीनास. कॉन्फ़िगरेशन टाइप जो है वो वायरलेस मीडिया होता है. दे मस्ट बी डायरेक्शनल. दे आर फोकस्ड ऑन वन बीम. किसी एक बीम पर जो है वो ये फोकस कर रहे होंगे. जैसे दिस इज वन बीम, सो यहाँ पे से जो है वो दे आर फोकसिंग ऑन वन बीम. केयरफुली अलाइनमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओमनी डायरेक्शन क्या होता है? इन ईच डायरेक्शन दे आर मूविंग. Signal spreads in all directions and they can be received by many antennas. Radio waves, microwaves, and infrared are the types of wireless or unguided media. Radio satellite transmissions and infrared light are the different form of electromagnetic waves that are used to transmit data. So, wireless transmission की three types है, as I have already told you: radio waves, microwaves, and infrared. This is the wireless transmission. Here 3 to 300, 3 kilohertz to 300 gigahertz are the radio wave and the microwaves. Radio waves are used for multicast communications such as radio and television and paging systems, and the microwave are used for unicast communication such as cellular telephone, satellite networks, and wireless local area network. What about the infrared signals? They can be used for short range communication in a closed area using line of sight propagation. Transmissions and receptions are archived by mean of an antenna over here. So, at both end, transmitter and receiver both are achieved by mean of an antenna. So, line of sight क्या होता है? What is a line of sight transmission? They are directional. So, इसका क्या मतलब है कि transmitting antenna puts out focused beam. So, transmitter and receiver must be aligned. And what is meant by an omnidirection? The signal spreads out in all direction and they can be received by many antennas. So and for all this they need actually high frequency are required. So what are the range of frequencies over here? So you should have to know that what kind of band we are using. That is the VLF, LF, MF, HF, VHF, UHF, SHF, EHF bands are using over here. So they are the ranges of these bands and they are the propagation. For this there is a range of 3 to 330 kilohertz and the propagation is ground and the application is long range radio navigation. For LF band 330 to 300 kilohertz इसकी range है. Propagation is the ground and application is radio beacons and navigational locators. MF is 300 kilohertz to 3 megahertz and the propagation is sky, and where it is used in AM radio. HF band उसके लिए 3 to 30 megahertz range है. Propagation जो है उसका वो sky है और इसकी जो एप्लीकेशन है वो सिटीजन्स बैंड है. शिप और एयरक्राफ्ट कम्युनिकेशन के लिए ये यूज़ होता है. VHF रेंज जो है दैट इज 330 टू 300 मेगाहर्ट्ज. इसके लिए प्रोपगेशन स्काई एंड लाइन ऑफ साइट है और इसकी एप्लीकेशन VHF टीवी और FM रेडियोस है. एंड SHF इसकी रेंज है 3 to 30 GHz. लाइन ऑफ साइट इज अ प्रोपगेशन ओवर हेयर और ये यूज होता है फॉर द सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन. EHF 30 to 300 GHz इसकी रेंज है. लाइन ऑफ साइट इसकी प्रोपगेशन लाइन ऑफ साइट है और लॉन्ग रेंज रेडियो नेविगेशन के लिए ये यूज होता है. रेडियो वेव्स होती क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? व्हाट आर द रेडियो वेव्स? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स की रेंज जो है दैट इज इन बिटवीन द 3 किलोहर्ट्ज एंड 1 गीगाहर्ट्ज. दे आर नॉर्मली द रेडियो वेव्स. रेडियो वेव्स आर ओमनीडायरेक्शनल. ओमनीडायरेक्शनल क्या होता है कि सिग्नल स्प्रेड्स आउट इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस. सिग्नल जो है वो आपका जो सिग्नल है वो 360 जो है वो डायरेक्शन में जो है वो मूव करता है. सो कैन बी रिसीव्ड बाय मैनी एंटीनास और इसमें जो है वो हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी रिक्वायर्ड होती है. रेडियो frequencies are suitable for long distance broadcasting. So radio waves, particularly those of low mediums, frequencies and they can penetrate. Omnidirectional antennas are used over here. जो है यहाँ पे omnidirectional antennas use हो रहे हैं और ये omnidirectional antennas जो हैं इनकी जो है वो ये 360 डिग्री एंगल पे जो है वो सिग्नल को मूव करता है. What is the application of the radio waves? They are used for multicast communication in which there is one sender and many receiver. An example of this is an AM radio, FM radio, television, and paging as well. Microwaves are the electromagnetic waves. They are ranging in frequency between 1 gigahertz and 300 gigahertz, and they are normally called the microwaves. Electromagnetic radiations are beyond the frequency used for radio and television can also be used to transport information. Higher frequency version of radio wave it is, and the many telephone companies uses the microwave transmission to carry a telephone conversation. It is also a unidirectional. Microwave is line of sight propagation and they are the unidirectional and they need unidirectional antennas that send signal in one direction. Two types of antennas are used for micro communication. They are antennas. Parabolic dish antennas and what is a parabolic dish antennas is based on the geometry of the parabola. Each line parallel to the line of symmetry reflects off the curve at angle such that all the lines intersect in common point. They are called a focus. So parabolic dish work as a funnel catching a wide range of. Next antenna is another one is a horn antenna. What is meant by a horn antenna? As the parabolic dish transmitter mounted at high and they used by common carrier as well as a private network requires unobstructed lines of sight between source and receiver. But what about the horn antenna? Horn antenna क्या करता है? They are broadcast through a horn aimed at dish. You can see on the screen that they are the dish antennas and they are the horn antennas. They are in one direction. Where they are used? They are used in cellular phones, satellite networks, wireless as well. You can see that they are an infrared waves. Electromagnetic wave that is ranging in frequencies between the 300 gigahertz and 400 terahertz and they are normally called an infrared waves. They are used for short range communication just like अब आजकल Bluetooth use हो रहा है, Wi-Fi use हो रहा है, so infrared signals having high frequencies and they cannot penetrate the wall. So infrared waves cannot pass through a solid object like wall or and can be easily contained in a room. So they are cheap, they are easy to build and they do not require any government license to use them. Infrared waves offer very bandwidth for use. Wireless keyboards or mouse, they are using the infrared ports. Students, today we have got an idea about an unguided media. In that we have seen that what are the radio waves, microwaves and infrared. We got a little bit knowledge about all these three things. Students, what is your working now? You have to know, you have to write in your as an assignment that what are the more types of unguided medias in which you should have to know that what is a laser, that is a beam of light that can be used to carry through air, or you should have to know that what are the satellites. After that you should have to write that what about the Bluetooths and about the Wi-Fi's. This is end of our today's lecture. Revise all the concepts from book as well. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.